There's a sidewalk right there.
What are you?
Tesla. Freaking Tesla.
Dumbass, why don't you just pull off to the left like everybody else? You moron.
He's not paying attention.
He's fine.
Nobody's paying attention. They get right back in the road, not paying attention.
We were too. And then I looked and saw it. And now he's stuck up. The ambulance is stuck right up there anyways.
That's crazy. What if it's a bicyclist or something? That's terrifying.
It sucks.